spending time on writing or entering into medical records. And it will bridge gap and improve quality by providing point of care education for the new residents. So in that way, they are trained to use an order set, which will eventually form a habit. So these are the hospital where they use order set, and they found that the average length of stay has been reduced, as well as the readmission for the patients, particularly like COPD patients and stroke patients, has been dramatically reduced by using order set in the hospitals. Now every order set is having a strong database that capture all the details, and then it will help a physician in terms of making decision, as well as in terms of to know the utilization pattern. And it's a great tool for learning. And they are available in different formats. It can be used in the paper format, in electronic medical format, or in mobile, for example, iPad or other tablet formats. So it's very easy. You don't have to be there every time at the patient bedside. It can be used anywhere in the hospital. And these order sets they are built with the consensus with the different organizations. So all the order sets, that's evidence-based. So constantly they have been developed in consensus with this particular organization. Finally, it improves workflow, it saves lives, and by minimizing the medical error and improving patient safety, optimize appropriate resource utilization, it saves lots of money for the hospitals and fewer lawsuits, because more and more insurance companies are into the market. So eventually this can be used as a valid document. These are some of our partners. Now we are running a pilot project in Royal Hospitals. So if anybody has not used, maybe you can contact me and explain more about how you can have your login IDs. Thank you.